Let's start with the most frequently used and indispensable tool, that is screwdriver. You need different types of screwdriver for different purposes and situations. And the most common one is Phillips crosshead screwdriver of size 2, and smaller screws you need uh, size 1 and size 0 crosshead screwdriver of Phillips type. And you also need a precision screwdriver set uh, with various types of bits such as torque bit, triangular head, and many other types of proprietary bits. Next, you need tweezers. These tweezers are very useful for placing small components in place. And this is a needle nose type tweezer which is used for uh, SMD type of jobs. Then you need a good wire stripper. These are very handy and saves much time for quick wire stripping. These wire strippers can strip wires up to 4 mm, and for big and hard wires you need a this type of wire stripper. These are generally used by electricians. You can crimp wires also here and cut wire through here and strip wires with these holes. And you also need wire cutter or side cutters, and then you need a needle nose plier. This is another big one, and you may also keep a normal combination plier. This is a locking tweezer useful for placing assembly components. You also need some prying tools for opening cases. You also need a brush to clean, and a knife is also useful. And the most important thing is a soldering iron. This is a 25-watt soldering iron. This is another one with a replaceable tip. And a desoldering tool. And this is a silicone tip I salvaged from an old EHT. And you also need a pencil type solder for SMD soldering. Here you can adjust heat. You also need magnifying glass for reading small markings in SMD components. This is with a light. This is 50x magnification and this is 25x magnification. And this is an eyepiece. And this is a magnifying glass with handle. And a hot glue gun is also required for fixing components. And the And now a multimeter. This is a auto ranging multimeter. This is most vital tool for finding faults. And the power supply is also required. You can adjust voltage here. This and a hot air workstation for SMD soldering. And this is a SMD proof adapter for multimeter. This is very useful for testing SMD components with single hand. Okay, so this is a quick review of the tools required for electronics service. In my future videos, I shall discuss in details about some of the tools. So till then, thank you.